In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove age restriction on YouTube. So first, you have to click on your profile. You will find your profile either at the top right or bottom right corner. When you have clicked on your profile, you'll just click on Settings and then General. And depending on your model, you might need to scroll down, but here we will see the restricted mode. This helps hide potentially mature videos. No filters, 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. And now you can disable the restricted mode. If you don't see the restricted mode option, or if it doesn't work, you might have to do it on your Google account. So I'll be showing you how to do that right now. So you have to go back to see your profile picture, and you will click Google account. And now click on the top right corner, your profile picture, and make sure that you are on the default one and are not as a branded channel. The account I was using was a brand channel, so you have to switch to your default one. And on your default channel, you will have to go to personal info, scroll down, make sure that you are over 18 years old. As you see, mine is set on 2000. That means that I am over 18 years old.